What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome back to another video on Injective protocol, or INJ. That's abbreviation, but most of you probably know that. If you're watching this video, you probably looked up INJ Price Prediction, or you're one of my subscribers who's actually interested in Injective protocol, because I know some of you are. That's one of the main reasons I'm looking at it today. Obviously we also had a very bullish move, almost 20%. Volume is amazing at 43 million. And basically, we'll talk about that a little bit later, but we're looking for that bullish breakout again. The bullish breakout we've been trying to get for the last month, even longer. So yeah, pretty exciting update. Just a quick recap. You can clearly see that we had some, like if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that we've been in this consolidation, all right? It at least looks like a consolidation. But then if you zoom in a little bit, you can see that within that consolidation, we actually had some sort of an uptrend going on, right? And I'm not even sure what this does. Nah, that's not great. But we had an uptrend, and then yeah, we broke through. But what happened here? You all know we got that higher than expected inflation rate number. So either way, we actually did manage to hold that. Probably on the daily, we actually held that. Yeah, we kind of did. So yeah, some bullish momentum within that consolidation, and I also did an update when we were here. The main resistance level we're struggling with is first of all $2. We first need to break through that. Well, we've already done that, or we haven't really broken above that yet, but this candle still lasts about 30 minutes, so we will close above that. And then the most important level, and you can see that's a very strong resistance level, is around 2.15. 2.15 it is. So if we really want to get to our next price target, which in my opinion, I mean, you can see that my technical key area ranges all the way from 2.55 to 2.3. So it's a huge area. In my opinion, my price target really is between 2.4 and 2.5. That's my price target. Only thing we need to do for that with Injective protocol is break above 2.15. All right, and I'll talk about some multiple ways in which we can do that. But first I wanted to check out if we had some news, because I didn't check it, which is wrong of me, sorry. All right, well, some developments going on, or at least, yeah, it's a decentralized finance super app built on Injective. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm pretty interested already. It's good marketing. Yeah, I mean, if someone knows about this, if it's just a decentralized application, if it's just a new dApp, or if it's really something created by Injective, let me know, because that actually seems pretty bullish. Apart from that, Injective is a great protocol, so don't worry about that. Or I wouldn't be worried about that. But yeah, let me know if anybody knows more about that. Obviously, I should have known. Sorry for that. But we'll mainly look at the technicals now, all right? So the main thing is breaking above 2.15. And we can do that in two ways. We can just do that with this candle. It's possible. It's unlikely though, I would say, all right? But it's possible that we just close above 2.15 on the 4-hour time frame. That way, we're going to slowly get up to our price target at 2.4, 2.5, all right? It's as easy as that. The moment we break above 2.15, it's done, at least in my opinion. It looks a little bit more likely to me that, because 2.15 is quite a strong resistance level, that we'll find resistance and start dropping down. And we'll drop down towards $2, all right? Basically, you see this entire key level. The most important key level within that entire key level is this one. All right, because we're going to drop down there, and then it's still very possible if we drop down there to break above 2.15, but we need to stay above this level. We need to stay above like 1.98, 1.97. If we do that for 2 days, especially then we'll break above 2.15 and get up to 2.4, 2.5 a little bit later. But the moment, and it hurts to say, but the moment we find support there, for example, and then break down below that level so that we drop down to 1.9 again, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. Then we'll probably take a break retest off of $2 and drop down all the way to 1.75 again. Now from 1.75 we might get we'll probably get another chance of breaking 2.15, but it's again we would have to have all those bullish breakouts, and it's just going to be more difficult. So there's basically two things that can happen. They both really depend, in my opinion at least, on that $2 level. So keep an eye out for that. I think it's actually more likely to get a bullish breakout, but I might be a little bit too optimistic. So just analyze the price, see what's going on, and in this case, you're at least at least prepared for all different scenarios, I think at least. So that's my take on Injective for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care and bye.